Alright, this is the end of the line. So I'm assuming I have to get that safe on that elevator. I don't know what the safe would do for me. Wait. What happened? Wait. What happened? Nothing. I wasn't supposed to do that? Let's go back down. Man, they are partying in there. My goodness. Okay, is the game glitching out? There's a light down there. You see it? Oh! What is that? What is that? It's an animal over there. Is it a cat? Is it a dog, maybe? Hey, I almost missed it. Give me my points. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. I tell you, man. No, I need it. Is he dancing? Oh, he must be dancing to that music. The singing. Okay. Okay. Sorry, buddy. I had to reset the game. I didn't look up. Just white, man. Look at him, white. Beautiful it is. How corny. All right, thank you. Thank you for doing that. Thanks. Okay. Can I move it back? My goodness, it's blinding me. Man, this camera angle is not doing me any justice. I don't know. Oh, okay, I see. I think that's it. over there, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Man, that camera angle, man. I thought I was gonna be on that for a while.
Give it back. Have you read it?
He got his hand. Wait. We're back together now? We cool? We're cool? Like... What, she rebelled? She cut her own hair and rebelled or something?
You don't like it? The prioress cut it as punishment.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't a big deal. I burned Father Sergey's Felonian.
That boy packing a hand. That boy armed. Come on. Come on. Yo, strong hand. You saw the hand? The hand was... the hand was emoting. Whoa, that dude disappeared. They give you no time to read that. Where'd he go? Oh, it's trippy. What in the world? It's trippy right now. Is it trippy or just another building that's on its side? Is he here with us? What happened to him? Where is he? Oh, it is trippy. You saw me? That was me? Was that me? Oh my goodness. No, that was him. That was him. That was the arm in the other window. Makes sense. So she's suicidal? That's what you mean by it makes sense? What? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh. 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 Oh my god. So her inner demon. Holy crap. So that's her inner demon that's talking to her in that hand that okay, I'm on the other crate now. Yo, that's so scary, man. Oh my gosh, that is so scary. Yo,
No surprise.
no surprise there. Like, like my body clenched when I saw that thing, man. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, wait. Where'd it go? Okay, it's in there. There you go. There it is. Okay, I don't know where to go, but I do know that is scary, and it might do something to me if it catch up to me. I don't think it can catch up to me though. Okay, maybe if I put this in the right place, I can jump down from here. Okay, if I put it in the middle. Where is it? Okay, it's here. What happens if I put it in the middle here? And then maybe I can put it closer. Actually, let me climb up here real quick. Nothing happens. Can't grab the pole. Okay, let's drop down from here. I might die, I might not. Let's see. Hey, I didn't. Would I die if I drop down? Nope. Drop down here. That was interesting. Okay. Alright, dude.